Welcome back. Cricket is where we begin. There is a call for transparency this evening from the president of the Jamaica Cricket Umpires Association, Athol Hamilton, given the imminent removal of Patrick Gustard from the International Umpires panel. More in this report.
Trinidad and Tobago's Joel Wilson is the only West Indian on the ICC elite panel of international umpires, which has 12 members. Below that level is an international panel where each test-playing nation has 4 umpires on the panel. For the West Indies, Jamaican Patrick Gustard, Barbadians Gregory Brathwaite and Leslie Reefer, as well as Guyanese Nigel Dugid are the officials on the list. However, based on TVJ Sports sources, Jamaican Gustard and Dugid are in line to be removed from the panel for the next year. Having written to the top brass of Cricket West Indies on Monday, President of the Jamaica Cricket Umpires Association, Athol Hamilton, is yet to see a response 72 hours later. However, he has entrusted Jamaica Cricket Association President Dr. Donovan Bennett to take the matter to the highest level.
I have no reason to believe that he will not represent the interest of the umpire, and so I await the outcome of his probe. Because let's not forget it, Dr. Bennett is a director of the CWI board, and so while they may want to ignore my queries, they have a duty to respond to him as a director of the CWI.
TVJ Sports checks revealed that there are conditional clauses with the promotion or demotion of umpires, but for Hamilton, he and Gustard are in the dark.
Patrick represents one of our brightest prospects and brightest stars, and on the face of it, based on what we see as cricket umpires, as cricket enthusiasts, as fans, he has been doing very well. He's among the best in this region. And Patrick is around 52, 53 in terms of age. So I think I have a duty to ask the questions as to why is he being replaced at this time. I think that those are reasonable questions. To date, I have not had a response.
It's understood that Gustard, who made his debut in 2020, has only had 4 decisions overturned at the international level, where he has stood in 22 T20 matches.
I don't know what the numbers are, and that is why I'm not saying at this point that he should not be removed. I am asking for the process and how and to match that up against others who are on the panel to see that we're making an objective decision, a decision that can stand up to scrutiny and fairness, because I believe every single umpire on all the panels deserve that.
Based on further checks, Gustard and Dugid are to be replaced by former West Indies fast bowler and Vincentian Dighton Butler and Trinidadian Zahid Bazarat.
Can we be sure that all of our umpires are being given a fair opportunity to get to the top in terms of their abilities and their performance on the field of play? Because I think that is what should determine who gets to the elite panel.
The contract period comes to an end on September 30, with the new panel to be named on October 1. Cricket West Indies will have a board meeting on September 20. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.
And to the